Guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Definitive answer. These two cylinders. I created a working key, that cylinder, and that cylinder, and the other one. So that's the working key I created. There's a pile of scrap keys. You have two keys, both of which that just work your cylinder if I get it right. It will do it on both cylinders, and the other key as well. I created a control key that works this cylinder real well. Even with this problem, you have to pull the key back in the key machine. It will not work this one. The reason why there's two master key systems is because one working key works this one and that one. These used to work that one, but they do not work this one anymore because it's clean and the pins are all working right. We're all stuck together in there, and we just had cross key system on. That's it. Now the other alternative is to drill one cylinder to make a control key.